on this.
I'm gonna try to get my car.
He's walking.
Oh. How is this gonna work? I can't get in there. Come on, man, we're working here. You make yourself comfortable, yes. I'm hungry. Are you looking for the guys on fat suits?
What's that?
The fat suit bike group, are you looking for that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's over in the, it's gonna be in the center of the parking lot.
Oh, all right.
They're all over there.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Nice car.
Thanks, I'm the chase car today.
They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies in penitentiary. Nice guy, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Crew like hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me, no, I'm staring in the mirror. Boys is nigga. Claim me the goodness to shy, but timid the riddles.
What happened to... Whoa! Holy crap.
Dude, look at this.
I wonder if I could fit in my car.
Sit it.
I will not be wearing one. I can't fit in my car like this.
Yeah, it does. I mean, I don't know. Oh god, it even puffs you up more because it comes right up the top. Yeah, but you'll have a helmet on. Yeah. So it's gonna keep it down. That's funny.
I like stickers. I'll need 2 for one for me, one for Jared. That's a step. Oh, thank you, sir. Let's go. Look at this fucking helmet. I like it. It's so nice.
Which one are you wearing?
Where's my bubble suit?
Which color you want?
What colors you got?
Roll that. It comes off in the van. Just roll them in the bed of my truck.
Crazy times, guys. Last night we had riots and fires and tear gas, and today we got a bunch of fat asses. Lucian and I are going to be the chase car, so we're just going to drive around town in these fat suits, I guess, and see what happens. Alec, you look actually matched. The helmet, look at this, your little vent.
I know, it's a little accent orange.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Roughly 10 people in fat suits. I think we're going, fam.
Where's the camera at?
Right here.
Right there, so it's facing like your front left corner?
Yeah. I don't know exactly how this is gonna go. I can't say I've ever been in a cruise with a bunch of fat suits. Lucian's just out here getting it.
Try. Oh god, this road sucks.
Celica's not gonna be able to keep up with all these bikes. Oh, big oof. Someone just lost like something.
Yeah. Fuck.
Come on, Batman. We got about 15 people in fat suits. They're kind of deflating as we go, but I'm gonna try to get some of this. Lucian's doing most of it, but Celica is the chase car. What happened to... Whoa! Holy crap. you guys see that? The guy was literally like spread eagle up on top of his bike. Now I see why he didn't want to wear a fat suit. We got Lucian hanging out the sunroof. Yeah, we're gonna try to get, I think we're going to Walmart next, and we're just gonna see what kind of reactions we can get from people. I guess they left already, so we're gonna go follow them again, see what's going on. What did you think about the guys in fat suits, Lucian?
Wow, dude, it was crazy, man. And we were out here 2020, got riots, we got looting, we got YouTubers. I mean, we just don't see this kind of activity in Fargo, man. It's just absolutely crazy, dude.
Fargo,
Whoa.
eh?
Yeah, man. Wow.
Eh? All right, so I don't know how you lose a group of guys that are wearing fat suits, but we lost them. So the chase car is now looking for a group of 15 people, 20 people in fat suits. So if you see them, let us know.
Help! Where you go? Where? Hello? What's that right now? What? Oh, you ran into cops?
Oh God. Wait, so what happened now?
So they had to pull over, and they went over to the buddy's house, and because they ran into more cops. So
Did the cops stop them?
I don't know.
Oh.
He's
well,
just not excited about it.
so we'll find out momentarily.
Yeah.
Is it illegal to ride around in a fat suit?
I don't think so. As long as it's not inhibiting your vision.
Fat man in a little suit. Take it away.
I don't know the rest of the song.
Yeah, that's the only part that matters anyway. Fat guy in a little suit. All right, so we found our fat friends. Lucian, assume the position. Oh, Hellcat, he don't want none.
You don't want none of this. You ain't want none of this.
I'll try to drive nice. Oh no!
Oh, shit.
I got the fist bump, dude.
I know, so did I.
Holy shit. What do you think? Oh. What do you think? It's cool? Gotta be getting hot in there.
Yeah.
Is it hot in there?
It's a little left, but it wasn't the best choice in an 83D.
Yeah, but you matched.
It does look good.
It is match, yeah. You're not gonna keep it on?
I'm
You're not
roasting in this thing.
Come on, man, it's slimming. Everyone's like covered in sweat. Anyway, you guys, we made it back, so we're gonna close this video out. That was the run in the fat suits. Didn't run into any trouble, which was great. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Nice guy, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a